Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution. Substitution involves putting known values into an equation to find the value of an unknown variable. Substitute the given values into each equation to find the unknown variable. We have three examples here to demonstrate how substitution works. Our first equation is v equals u plus at. We have to find v when u equals 5, a equals 10 and t equals 3. So when we substitute these values into the equation, we have v equals 5 plus 10 times 3. I've just directly substituted the values in here. Now here we have to be aware of order of operations. When you have addition and multiplication, as in this case, there are no parentheses or brackets. You must do the multiplication first. That is the rule when it comes to order of operations. You have to do multiplication before the addition. So 10 threes are 30. So 5 plus 30 is 35. So that's the answer. For number 2, c equals the square root of a squared plus b squared. Find c when a equals 6 and b equals 8. So we substitute directly those numbers into the equation. We get c equals the square root of 36 plus 64. When you add 36 and 64 together, you get 100. So c equals the square root of 100. Now 100, this number here is positive. By definition, the square root of a positive number is positive. So that's why the answer is 10. So c equals 10. It is not negative 10. Even though negative 10 all squared gives you 100, by definition the square root of any positive number is positive. The next example, we have s equals ut plus half at squared. Find s when u equals 4, t equals 5 and a equals 10. We substitute these values directly into that equation and we get s equals 4 times 5 plus a half times 10 times t squared. Now t is 5, so I've just made that 25 because it's 5 squared. T squared is 5 squared. Now, similar to example 1, we have to do that multiplication. Then we have to do that multiplication before we do any addition, because that's the rule when it comes to order of operations. So 4 5s are 20. So we've done that part. Now a half times 10 is 5. 5 times 25 is 125. So 20 plus 125 is 145. So we've just seen three examples which demonstrate substitution. We've also seen the importance of order of operations, knowing the rules when it comes to order of operations, because when there's a mixture of, for example, addition and multiplication, you have to do the multiplication first, and there are other examples too, like you've also got your division and your subtraction, so you've got to know all the rules when it comes to order of operations when you're doing substitution.